In this video, you're gonna learn how to create a simple logo type with Affinity Designer. Welcome back to another video. My name is Angel, and in today's video we got a good one where we're going to be creating a simple logo type with Affinity Designer just by grabbing a simple text, doing some tweakings, and right there you have your own custom logo type, guys. So this is going to be a good one. You want to stay to the end, and also make sure you like this video, subscribe, and ring post notifications. So that being said, guys, let's go ahead and jump to Affinity Designer. Alright, so the first thing we're going to be doing is create a new document. So we're going to go to File, go to New, and we're going to be working on a 1280 by 1280 pixels at a 300 dpi. And I'm also going to check this box over here where it says Create Artboards. So click that and hit Create. Alright, so here we have a brand new document. So the first thing we're going to be doing is go to our artistic tool over here, and you're going to go ahead and left click and drag down just like that. And I'm going to go ahead and type in simple. You could type in anything you will like. But I'm going to be recreating the same logo type, okay? All right, so the next thing I'm going to do is go to our fonts. I'm going to go to my favorites, and I'm going to use Oswald, okay? And now everything is out of whack, so I'm going to go ahead and bring everything to the middle. So go up here, alignment, go to centered and middle, just like that, and apply. All right, so the next thing we're going to be doing is go ahead and make this bigger. So we're going to scale it up. So grab this anchor point over here and control and left click and drag. Say about right there is good. Okay, because we're going to be just working on this right now. All right, so the next step you're going to be doing, everything is in a text right now. So you cannot do no edits on this text at all. So we're going to go ahead and convert this to curves. By up here where it says convert to curves, click that. So once you click it, everything's going to pop up over here that everything is grouped. So what we want to do now is ungroup this. So you go up here where it says ungroup, you click that, and now everything is single. See, you got the E right here, the L. So now you could start messing around with each letter individually. So that's pretty good. All right, so now the next thing we're going to be doing is go to bring up our ruler. So if you see this up here, this is our ruler. So if you don't have that, all you have to do in your keyboard is press Control and R to put it away, and Control to bring it up, and R to bring it up. And if you don't have it, again, because I don't know the shortcuts for Mac, so you could go up here where it says View, and you go up here, well, down here where it says Show Ruler. You'll click that, and it's going to go away, or if you don't have it, it's going to bring it up. So that's how you could get that ruler. All right, and the reason why we're doing this is because we're going to bring some guides. So we go ahead and bring down some guides right here. Make sure it aligns just like that where it snaps. Make sure you have the snapping highlighted. Okay. All right, so bring that down and bring up one over here just like that. All right, so everything is right there in the same proportion, right in the middle. Okay, guys? So once you do that, the next thing we're going to do is go up here where it says your corner tool. You're going to click that, and we're going to start clicking each letter one by one to start doing the edits. So what we're going to be doing is rounding the corners, right? Because the type of logo type that I'm going for and the style is like more like a fun type. Just, you know, just being creative and just having fun with it. So that's what I'm going for. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the process because this process is going to take me a little bit. So I'll see you soon. All right, so we got that done, guys. So the next thing we're gonna be doing is go ahead and start tweaking these around and start making it your own flavor, your own creativity, just having fun again, guys. So let's go ahead and turn these to our left. All right, just like that. Okay, and then this one like this, just like that. So what I'm doing now is turning one to the other side and then to the other one to the opposite side. So again, just give it a nice looking, funny looking. It doesn't have to be perfect, you know, it's just you again having fun with it. Okay, guys? All right, just like that. You know, it's not gonna look the same like the first one I did. So we're gonna try to do the best we can here. Okay. All right. So now, if you notice, we got to work on the kernings. Okay. We got some over here, are bunched all together. So the way I like to do this is go ahead and grab a square over here, square tool, Control Shift and left click and drag up. I say about right there, 22.3 pixels. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and switch this to red. Get that out of there. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in, press V on my keyboard. That's the move tool, and go up here. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and highlight all of these right here. Get all of those, move to the side because I'm gonna work again with the kernings for each letter. Okay, so let's make it a little smaller. I say about right there, 15.1 pixels. So make sure you click the letter, if not, it's not gonna snap. Just right there, okay? And then now this one, shift and left click, just bring it all the way up here to where it snaps right there, okay? And this is the reason why we did the guides, because we want everything not to, you know, come down or go up. So that's the reason why we did the guides. Now you move this one up here, to the right, sorry. And just like that, guys. Let's go ahead and do this one also. Hopefully you found some value in this video, guys. And if you do, make sure you drop some like. And also don't forget to subscribe. All right. So let's do this. We almost done, guys. Oh, go like that. Just like that. There we go. So here we have it. Now we're gonna start messing around with the size of it. So let's go ahead and make this one a little smaller. So we're gonna double click it, and right here what we have right now is the null tool. So we're gonna highlight these two anchors right here, and shift and left click and drag down. Sorry, just like that. Yep. So this one we're gonna leave one the same size, or maybe we're gonna drop it a little bit, and then this one also the same. Okay, so let's go ahead and move this one. So the way we're gonna do this, just gonna have to highlight everything here, and again shift and left click, just like that. Okay, I say a little bit like that. Yep. All right, so now this one, we're gonna do the same thing with this one right here. So we're gonna highlight everything and drag it down a little bit. I'll say about right there. And then this one, yeah, just like that. Bring it down a little bit. Go ahead and bring that down about right there. Then this one as well. Same size of that one, okay? And then this is a more tricky. So the way we're gonna look at this one, actually, well, the way we're gonna do this, just bring this one back up. This one, bring it back up again, like that. It had the same sizing with the other one. Okay, just like that. And then this right here, make sure we bring that to the middle, just like that. Okay, so now we can go ahead and delete that and come to the fun part of it, right? So now I'm done with this. I'm not gonna do no more edits. So I'm gonna go ahead and highlight all of it. Go up here where it says add and click that. So now you have everything as one. Okay, so bring that back to the middle, just like that. And I'm gonna get rid of the guides. So let's go ahead and go up here where it says view. And right here it says show guides, get rid of them, okay? So now I'm gonna go ahead and grab my color palettes. So let's go, I have mine over here. So I make sure I just go ahead and highlight these right here and Control C to copy them and bring them up here. And this is the good things when you create artboards, guys, because you could place these over here, okay? All right, so now I'm gonna work with the background. I'm going for this nice looking color, so I'm gonna go ahead and press I in my keyboard. That's to bring the color picker right up here. So go ahead and bring that. And I'm gonna press V, and that's the move tool to click on this, the font, right? What we just created. And I'm gonna press I again to place that as yellow color. Just like that, guys. Okay, starting to look good, starting to look good, guys. So the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and bring texture to this. So give me a moment, I'm gonna go ahead and grab my texture. All right, so here we have our texture. So the next thing we're gonna do is go ahead and drag this to the canvas, about right there. And to get this texture inside the text, you're gonna go ahead over here, left click, and hold it and drag down and let it go. Just like that, guys. So here we have it. Now to finish this off, we're gonna go ahead and type logo type. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that. Right there. And I'm gonna go ahead and bring this to the middle. I'll say about right there. Make sure I use the alignment tool. Make sure we got the right. Okay, that's too big. Bring that down. Okay, and now we're gonna do some spacing here. So we're gonna triple click this, Alt, right arrow key. Let me do some spacing just like this right here, guys. Okay, so let's go ahead and see how that looks. Now bring alignment again, shift, and here we have it, guys. Simple logo type that you can create by just doing some tweaking, guys, using a regular font, and here you have it. All right, guys, so this concludes this video. Make sure you like this video, subscribe, and ring post notifications. And if you want me to make videos just like this one, make sure you leave it in the comments below that we can go ahead and make a video about it. And I also want to say thank you for 82 subscribers. We are getting close to 100 subscribers. Again, guys, until next time, stay positive, stay creative, and see you on the next one.